Hello, and welcome to a quick introduction of Docker, a platform that has revolutionized software development with its container technology. Docker is an open-source platform used by developers to build, ship, and run applications. It packages software into standardized units called containers that have everything the software needs to run, including libraries, system tools, code, and runtime. Let's have a quick look at the history of Docker. Docker was first introduced in 2013 by Solomon Hykes during his lightning talk at PyCon. This marks the conception of Docker. In 2014, Docker 1.0 was officially released, signifying its readiness for production use, and quickly establishing its reliability in software development. In 2015, Docker acquired Socketplane to enhance their networking features. Docker Swarm for orchestration was also introduced that year. In 2016, Docker announced Data Center, offering a solution for scalable application deployment and management in enterprise settings. In 2019, Docker announced support for Kubernetes, improving its orchestration options alongside Docker Swarm. In 2023, Docker introduced experimental support for Containered as the content store in Docker 24.0, replacing its existing storage drivers. Developers use Docker to eliminate "it works on my machine" problems when collaborating on code with teammates. Docker containers are isolated from each other, and bundle their own software, files, and libraries, ensuring they work seamlessly in any environment. Docker's key features include Docker Engine, the lightweight runtime that manages containers. Docker Hub, a cloud service for sharing applications. Docker Compose, a tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. Docker uses a client-server architecture. The Docker client talks to the Docker daemon, which does the heavy lifting of building, running, and distributing your Docker containers. Here are some advantages of using Docker. Isolation. Containers ensure software runs consistently in any environment, from local development to production, providing predictable results. Portability. The flexibility of containers allows for easy movement and testing across different environments and cloud platforms. Scalability. Containers enable applications to scale efficiently, adjusting resources dynamically to meet demand. Microservices. Microservices architecture leverages containers for independent development, deployment, and scaling of smaller services. Orchestration. Tools like Kubernetes and Docker Swarm simplify the management of multiple containers, automating deployment and scaling. Security. Containers isolate applications, enhancing security and easing the application of updates and patches. All of this results in consistency across multiple development testing and production environments. Rapid deployment and scaling. Resource isolation and utilization, leading to efficiency. While Docker continues to lead the containerization space, there are alternatives. Services like Podman emerges as a noteworthy alternative. As an open-source, daemonless container engine, Podman stands out with its enhanced security model due to the absence of a central daemon, aligning with Docker's commands for ease of adoption. Podman brings several key advantages to the table, a couple of which being: firstly, Podman operates daemon-free, which heightens security by isolating container processes. Secondly, Podman supports rootless operation, allowing users to run containers without granting full system privileges. Despite Podman's strengths, Docker remains the preferred choice for many, as its broader community support means a wealth of shared knowledge and resources. Docker's integrated ecosystem, including Docker Hub and Docker Desktop, streamlines workflows from development to deployment. Additionally, Docker's advanced orchestration capabilities, through Docker Swarm and Kubernetes compatibility, offer scalable solutions essential for modern microservices architecture. This orchestration ensures seamless deployment and management of complex applications, cementing Docker's position as a pivotal tool in the industry. Docker really is an essential tool for modern developers. Ready to dive in? Explore Docker further, and see how it can streamline your development process. Want to learn more or get started using Docker? Visit docker.com for more information. Thank you for watching.